What's up, YouTube? It's the one and only Lovely Lisa, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. Anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. And yeah, today's video, we're gonna be doing something a little different. Yeah, so my house, my room, y'all, is a mess. Look at that. So let me explain myself before I get started with the video. Me and my fiance and my family, we are not nasty. First of all, let me get that clear. So stuff has been getting a little bit piled up because we've been traveling, we've been doing this and doing that. We just recently went on a trip for our anniversary, our 12th year anniversary at that, you know what I'm saying? I'll insert some clips or whatever here. We made it. Y'all excited? I'm excited. We got our keys to our Airbnb and we're about to walk in. Look at it! Oh my gosh, y'all! Look at this! Oh my god! Babe! Babe! Oh. This, man, look. And yeah, so that was really fun. I mean, we didn't really get to see much, but I got to see my childhood friend, which I've been missing her for so long. She moved away, and it's my first time really seeing her in a while. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into this mess. Extreme cleaning video, y'all get ready because I'm not holding back. Y'all gonna see everything. I just had to stop real quick, y'all. I just got a package. It's huge. If this is what I think it is, I'm gonna be so happy. And if this is what I think it is, I will be using this in my cleaning video. So yeah, we'll be unboxing that. starting to work up a little sweat. But I done made a big dent in this compared to how it was when I showed y'all before. Careful, wash your hands now. These my new rugs, y'all, that I ordered from Amazon. One is bigger than the other. The biggest one I'm gonna put down here on the floor, and the second one is going in my daughter's room, the pink one. But I mean, they really don't match none of the colors that we got now, but I just want to throw some other colors in there and mix it up. I don't really like having everything all one color. It just looks so bland. Just like a pop of color. And then it's like it's supposed to be like a nice cozy rug. They vacuum sealed that motherfucker, and it's still vacuum sealed again. Jesus. Oh my goodness. Okay, finally got it open. This is the big one. So let's see how it looks. I'm sitting on the couch. Front TV. Oh shit. Oh yeah, that motherfucker huge. That's a nice size. Let me feel it with my feet. Oh yeah, it's soft too. The girl's gonna be laying on that. It's all wrinkled and stuff. Yeah, that's what I said too. It's like a.
But it's the same kind of soft hint like this blue cup.
Mm-hmm. Like not pastel, but.
It's like it's a soft color, kind of like a soft matte.
So what we should do is probably get like a couple couches. I mean, a couple of pillows that color. A couple of pillows this color. And put them on there. But yeah, that looks nice. Nice, my front room look now. And it's gonna look even nicer when I clean the floors with my new gadget. Got the candles lit, nice little vibe. Got some little pets in here. Got 2 toads in here. I don't know where they at, and I ain't about to try to find them. But this is their food, the crickets. That's what they eat. Still got our pumpkin. My grandfather got rested soul. We still got his Santa Claus little man thing that he sing a little song or whatever. Yeah, it looks really nice in here. I do need to vacuum my couch though, but that's probably like the only thing that I really need to do. Got the window open, getting some fresh air. The curtains blown all pretty. Hey, what happened to the ball that was up here? It broke off? Nobody told me that. This ball is broke off of here. When that happened? Oh, I'm irritated now. Turn this off. As you can see, I still got some more work to do. I just got a whole bunch of packages from Amazon, which is stuff that I'm planning to put in my room. That's why I didn't quite like wipe stuff down, because I actually plan on throwing this stuff away. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video, and the next video will be me opening my packages, which I'm going to do right now. So if you want to go ahead and go over there and watch that video, I'll be uploading that soon. And yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget, just be you. You can only be you, so just do that. Okay.